Meet the HyperMill series, our flagship tube and pipe end prep solution for the industrial boiler industry. Built for tough jobs, HyperMill delivers fast, accurate facing, beveling, and weld removal, even on stainless steel and high-chromium materials. The standard machine locks securely from 30 to 135 millimeters ID and includes a 135 millimeter cutter head. The key advantage is low RPM with high torque for smoother cutting, less chatter, a better finish, and longer tool life. And all cutting tools are designed and manufactured in-house from high-grade tool steels. Choose the pneumatic version, 55 RPM, 280 Newton meters, 1.3 horsepower, or upgrade up to 166 millimeters ID with a 75 CFM motor delivering 570 Newton meters. Prefer electric? The HyperMill 56E offers variable speed, a Makita motor, and a KRAIS 3-stage gearbox, and it's interchangeable with pneumatic drive. Now let's see the HyperMill in action. This is the HyperMill 56E, fitted with an extra speed reducer to maximize torque for heavy weld removal on a 3-inch pipe. Watch how smoothly it cuts through the weld, stable, controlled, and consistent from start to finish. Those clean swirl chips are a great sign of the right cutting conditions, low RPM, high torque, and efficient material removal, leaving a clean surface ready for the next step. Now we're looking at the HyperMill 56 performing J-Prep weld removal on a 1 1/4 inch tube. This setup uses the J-Prep holder with an R5 radius insert to follow the profile smoothly and remove the weld with full control. Notice the stable cut and consistent chip formation, clean removal, accurate prep geometry, and a surface that's ready for the next welding step. And now the job we do most often, heavy-duty weld removal. Here we're running the HyperMill 56 pneumatic with an extra speed reducer for smoother, more controlled operation. By lowering the RPM and increasing torque, the machine stays stable under load and maintains a steady, consistent cut, especially on tough weld material. Notice how it removes the weld efficiently while producing heavy, well-formed chips. That chip shape is a good sign the tool is working correctly and the cutting conditions are right. And one more important point, we do this operation using only one cutting tool, which says a lot about the rigidity and stability of the machine. Simple OD beveling, no commentary needed. The video speaks for itself. For high-volume work, HyperMill LP adds built-in pneumatic locking for faster clamping, boosting productivity by up to 4 times while reducing operator fatigue. And finally, to close this presentation, here's a special application. We're performing facing plus inside and outside beveling on a 12-inch by 4.5-inch reduction tee. Because the neck is very short, we use a special fixture that allows the HyperMill to mount securely and stay perfectly aligned. This setup keeps the operation stable and controlled, so we can machine the face and both bevels cleanly and accurately, creating a weld-ready prep even on fittings that are normally difficult to handle.